Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric. In today's episode, I want to address a question that I've seen asked in the comments section of a number of our PPF install videos going back the last couple of years, and that is, what is with the cloudiness and the streakiness underneath the paint protection film right after I do my installation? So a short explanation is you will have squeegeed all your slip and tack solution out, and it will all be out from underneath the film. But that cloudiness, that streakiness, what that is that's just soaked wet adhesive that just needs to dry itself out. To prove my point, we've got this 26 Model Y Performance, and we've got the hood wrapped in gloss black paint protection film. And what I'm gonna do, just to make the point of this video, because it's a Quicksilver underneath, and if we install the clear film on Quicksilver, I won't be able to really make my point. So to prove my point, we wrap this black, and I'm going to install some clear PPF over top of the film, and I'm going to show you guys those streaks. I'm going to pour some really hot water over top of the film, and we're going to give it some time, and you guys will be able to watch this stuff dry out. So don't freak out, don't panic when you see these streaks. You have not ruined your installation. It's something that happens on every install. And enough of me talking, let me show you. Yep. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe the hood down before I put one more bottle of hot water on top of it. But the haziness that I'm mentioning is all these streaks. You can see side to side, right where I squeegeed. You can see these areas over here. They're a lot darker, so I will have had more squeegee pressure there. So this is something that freaks people out when they're first getting into installing PPF, is when they see these streaks, they're thinking they ruined the film somehow and that maybe their solutions were mixed wrong. Don't worry about it, this will dry out. I'm gonna throw another thing of hot water over top of here just to help speed up this process. And then we're just gonna let this time lapse run until it's completely done. Here we are 3 hours later, and as you can see, I'd say 95% of all the haze that was underneath the PPF has dissipated. We still have some bubbles over here, here, and there that need to dissipate through the film, but I bet you by tomorrow morning, if I were to come back, they'd be completely gone. So the whole purpose of doing this test, like I mentioned earlier in the video, was just to kind of show you that when you're installing PPF, your adhesive is soaking wet, and that will take time to dry out. So if you're a beginner to the paint protection film industry, or you're doing a DIY job on your vehicle at home and you see this, no, you have not ruined your paint protection film. This is just something that is more noticeable with darker colors than it is on lighter colors. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.